what is menstrual cycle? Which hormones regulate menstrual cycle? Okay, simple question. The cycle of events starting from one menstruation till the next one in human females is known as, at the time of gamete formation, is called menstrual cycle. Easy? So, what is menstrual cycle? The cycle of events starting from one menstruation until next one. So, from one to another in human where females at the time of gamete formation is called menstrual cycle. Now, hormones. Hormones that play role in menstrual cycle are gonadotropins, LH and FSH, released by pituitary gland, and ovarian hormones. Note, this is important. These are what? Pituitary and progesterone and estrogen are what? Ovarian hormones. Let's write it down. Pituitary hormones are LH and FSH, whereas ovarian hormones are progesterone and estrogen. Okay, students, so we are done with question number 17.